The SANY Sy500H is a mighty machine built for optimum operator efficiency, maximum production and reduced operating costs, making it the best value 50-tonner on the market. Equipped with a powerful and efficient Cummins Tier 4 final engine with an intelligent hydraulic system to match engine response, the Sy500H delivers. The X-beam design uses a high-strength box section structure for maximum durability and excellent torsion-resistant performance. Optimised positive flow hydraulics improve operating efficiency, fuel consumption and production. The widened heated suspension seat was carefully selected based on many hours of operator feedback, ensuring time spent in the cabin is comfortable and productive. SANY invests in research and development to create the best excavators in the business and proudly offers an industry-leading guarantee.